Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making something called Chicken Cream Mushroom Casserole. It's a really amazing dish and I hope you guys try it out for yourselves and enjoy it. And make sure to check out my upcoming videos. They're going to be on the channel very soon. And I'm going to give you a little hint. One of them's about mussels. A very delicious dish that I have not yet uncovered on my channel. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. And as you can see, the ingredients are already on the screen. So yeah, just make sure to pause the video, copy out all the ingredients, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. First of all, we add the butter with oil into the preheated casserole. Now we add the chicken breasts or thighs, one piece at a time until golden, and remove from the casserole when nearly cooked. Now add the flour. Now add the onions. After 10 minutes, add the milk or broth. Season well with salt and pepper. We are now adding the cream and then mix it well together. We are now going to add the mushrooms, which can obviously be fresh or canned. Now we leave it to simmer for a few minutes and then add the chicken and leave to simmer for 10 minutes. Now we fish the herbs out. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment down below if you like this video and any more video ideas. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Click on the screen right now for more videos. See you later.